because you started losing numbers in India and Pakistan, you started to go to Africa and other parts of the world to increase your numbers, to feed gullible people, unfortunately, the poor people who don't have much education. You can easily deceive them in the guise of Islam by your hats and your beard, and you go and actually preach Islam to them. Those people, those poor people, those miskeens, they think these are Muslims. They don't know that these are a bunch of kuffar dressed as Muslims, right? So you go to those African villages, you preach to them as if you are Muslim, and then you preach Islam to them. You preach from the Quran, you preach from the Sunnah of the Prophet, and once you have them in your clutches, you slide Mirza in. You slide Mirza in at the end without those people realizing what they are actually accepting. If you start reading from Rouhani Khazain, Mirza's swear words and his lies and his deception, not one of these people would accept Islam. That's why our ulama, it is incumbent upon them to work on Qadianiyat, not with hostility, not with violence, not with threat. No, we don't agree with that. We don't promote that. What we want our ulama and dua to do with compassion, with beautiful preaching, with mercy, reach out to these gullible people in places like Ghana and Nigeria and wherever they are, okay, and preach to them, explain to them what Mirza is, and show his book with references to them, okay, and then you will see, inshallah, the tide in those countries will turn as well, just as it has turned in India and Pakistan.